One way I try to keep myself busy was through cooking. I'm currently making a stir-fried veggie dish that I came up with. After carefully washing and cutting out the mushrooms, green beans, and lemon, I minced up some peeled garlics as the main seasoning. Using corn oil as a base to stir-fry the garlic, I cooked the beef first and then added in veggies. And I'm definitely not a chef, however, I like to mix things up a bit by adding a little hint of zesty lemon. And top it off with salt and pepper. This was so good.
Can I eat really fast? I was like, I'm gonna call you real quick.
I'm hungry too.
Have fun filming. Love you.
I did some online shopping the past few weeks but didn't have time to unbox it, so I decided to prop up my camera and open up my packages from Princess Polly and Forever 21.
Here we go, it's all about you, it's all about me, it's all about what we do.
I was also watching an anime, so if you see me spacing out from time to time, that's why.
Because I'm running wild, I ain't running free. Still got a lot of shit left to see. I'm stuck in this town, and the town's stuck in me.
About a day later, I came home from work to a package that I've ordered a while back from yesstyle. The delay in shipping was most likely caused from the outbreak of COVID-19. Hence, I made sure to wipe the package with Clorox wipes and wash my hand after unboxing these items. Okay, so there's so many things going on right now, but I currently just got 2 packages. This one is from yesstyle Beauty, and I purchased their lip balm, and this is the tint and balm. This one is a color balm right here, and it's so cute. It has a pink and silver kind of packaging, and then this one is silver and gold. As you see, there's clothes piling on my bed, and then just more stuff in the closet that I have to clean out. So I ordered a bag from ThredUp, and then I'm going to donate. So I'm going to clean this out and donate. I was feeling a little bit under the weather this day, plus the dust bunnies from cleaning my closet did not help. So please excuse me for looking like a hot mess in these next few clips.
Gotta find a reason to push it and go. You know we're trying our best to be a success. We're living our life trying to clean up the mess. Cause I'm stuck in this route, day in, day out.
I realized that I needed to iron some of my dress shirts, so I set up a little area for myself in my living room and ironed my clothes while watching YouTube.
Trying to feel